In today's video, we're exploring the top 5 best mini PCs of 2025, from Apple's sleek new Mac Mini to Ryzen-powered beasts that rival gaming towers. First on our list is the Apple Mac Mini 2024. Its new M4 chip has made it far more powerful than any previous Mac Mini. It features a 10-core CPU and a 10-core GPU, providing incredible speed for multitasking, creative work, and light gaming. With 24 GB of unified memory and a 512 GB SSD, it operates exceptionally fast. The redesigned chassis adds front-facing USB-C ports and a headphone jack, while still offering Thunderbolt, HDMI, and Gigabit Ethernet ports on the back. It also includes Apple Intelligence, a personal AI system that helps with tasks while keeping your data private. This Mac Mini is both powerful and carbon neutral. Next up is the GMKtec M5 Plus, designed for both work and gaming. Inside, it features an AMD Ryzen-7 5825U processor with 8 cores and 16 threads. It comes with 32 GB of DDR4 RAM and a 1 TB PCIe SSD, with support for expansion up to 64 GB RAM and 4 TB of storage. Its AMD Radeon integrated GPU can power 3 4K displays. Its biggest highlight is the dual 2.5 GB Ethernet ports, which are ideal for server, firewall, or NAS setups. This is complemented by modern connectivity like Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2. All product links are in the description below, so check them out and see the latest prices. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest product reviews, gear comparisons, and trend picks. In third place is the GEEKOM AX8 Max. Crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum using CNC machining, it is both durable and premium-looking. Powered by the AMD Ryzen-7 8745HS and Radeon 780M GPU, it can easily handle demanding tasks like AA gaming and 8K video editing. It comes with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM and a 1 TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, which can be expanded to 96 GB and 4 TB respectively. The Ice Blast 2.0 cooling system keeps it nearly 50% quieter under load. Advanced connectivity, including 2 USB 4 ports and 2 2.5G LAN ports, makes it a true compact workstation. Now let's talk about the sheer power of the AtomMan G7 PT Mini PC. It is a desktop replacement in disguise, featuring a 16-core, 32-thread AMD Ryzen 9 7945HX processor and a dedicated AMD Radeon RX 7600 MXT graphics card. This makes it perfect for next-gen gaming and high-end video editing. It supports 4 display outputs simultaneously, which is great for multi-monitor setups. Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and a 2.5 GB LAN port further boost its speed. It delivers exceptional performance for everything from CAD design and trading to hardcore gaming. And finally, the Minisforum Venus UM790 Pro. It is powered by the AMD Ryzen 9 7940HS processor and Radeon 780M graphics. With 64 GB of DDR5 RAM and a 1 TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, it is great for fast multitasking. Its most notable feature is the Cold Wave 2.0 cooling system, which uses liquid metal to keep temperatures low and noise almost silent, even under maximum load. Intel Killer Wi-Fi 6E and 2 USB 4 ports make it an ideal choice for gamers and power users who demand the very best. So there you have it, the top 5 best mini PCs of 2025. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.